Alright, the next thing I'm going to go over is the navigation menus. So right now we have the basic theme installed, and it doesn't look too pretty yet, and we don't have a navigation menu. We kind of have some stray links, but don't worry, we'll get that sorted out right here. So we're going to go and do our dashboard, and then under appearance, we're going to go to menus, so appearance menus, and the first thing we have to do is create some menus. So I'm just going to call this first menu main navigation, and then we'll go ahead and create an second menu as well by clicking this plus, and we'll call this top navigation. And so we have our two navigations that we've set up. And the next thing we need to do is go under theme locations, and there's two menus. We just need to select them. I name them the same as the selection right there, top navigation, so it's really easy to find. And we'll click save. So now we have our menus, and if you had any stray links up there, like we had that sample page, they now should be gone. So from here it should be pretty self-explanatory. We can add pages. I don't have too many yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of these pages. So we added them to our top navigation. Let's save that. Let's go ahead and do the same thing to our main navigation. So let's refresh and see all the pages we've added, and now you can see it's starting to come together a little bit. We've got our navigation right here, and then our top navigation right here. And I kind of skipped over that, but later on you'll have a whole bunch of categories more than likely, and you can see them here. You can view more and add them to the menu. So I'm going to go over a couple other things. The first being that home page, actually, the icon, it actually doesn't matter what the first page is. So if I remove the home page and save it, it actually will take the sample page and put it there. So it's one thing to note that you'll probably want your home page in the lead spot so the icon works properly. If you want to remove that, it's super easy. It's just in the style.css file. You can jump on the support forum if you need help with that. So the next thing I'm going to go over is drop-down menus. So you can't have a drop-down menu up here in the top, but you can obviously have multiple levels of drop-downs in the main navigation. And I'm just going to duplicate the pages since I don't have enough yet. So all you have to do is, let's go ahead and put some in this first sample page. Let's have a drop down. You just grab, first you can adjust the order, but then you're going to grab the home, for example, and you just shift it over a tiny bit to the right, and it's now going to be within a drop down. And we'll do the same thing with that duplicate. We just move it over a little bit, and we can save our menu. And now we hover over sample, we have our drop down menu. It's really really simple. So if you wanted another level as well, you can keep going. See how it just keeps going? And a couple other things to go over with the navigation is if you wanted to, let's say, just instead of sample page, you just wanted page to display, we can adjust that by clicking that drop down and adjusting the label. Let's go ahead and click save. So now the navigation item is page. When you go to the page, it's actually sample page. So that's sometimes if you have like a contact us, you just want contact up there in the navigation, or tons of other reasons you can do so there. And finally, if you want to do like a couple other options, you click on the screen options up here, and you can get a whole other set. So if you wanted to have a link open in a new window or things like that, screen options is where it's done. But this is pretty much the basic gist of getting your menus going. They should be really easy. Everything's built into WordPress for you.